Today we're going to do a science activity and we're going to make a bubble soap. So the first thing that you need is water, some dish soap or some hand soap. I'm going to use hand soap because we're almost out of dish soap, and something to measure it with. I'm going to use half cup measurement, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 half cups into here. 2 half cups would make a whole cup, but whichever cup you're using, you're going to put 2 of your measuring cups of water, and then you're going to put 1 of your measuring cups of soap. And I'm going to dump it in there. Mine was kind of floppy. And then we're going to stir it up. I'm going to use my finger. You can use a spoon, whatever you need, until it's kind of dissolved in there, okay? Now, our next step, now that that is ready, you will need an empty bottle in either an old small sock or a small washcloth. So I'm going to use a washcloth, and I take an empty bottle. Now do not do this part by yourself. Get a grown-up to do this. The grown-up has to cut the end off of the bottle. So I'll show you what I mean. I had this end. They were together. So I cut off this end. I used a sharp knife. You can also use sharp scissors, but don't do this part. Get a grown-up to do this part. So when they have finished cutting the bottom of your bottle off for you, you have a bottle with a hole in the end. So you're going to take your sock or your washcloth and you're going to put it over the hole at the end of the bottle, like that. Then you're going to take a rubber band. This is a hair band. You can use that. You can use a regular rubber band, and you're going to put it on. Now, I don't want to cut my washcloth, and it's a little too big, so I'm going to roll it up inside of my rubber band to keep it out of my way. Good idea, huh? If you have a little sock, you might not have to roll it up. Okay, so now I have my snake bubble maker. So then what I do is I take my bubble mixture. My bubble mixture is in something flat. It doesn't have to be a big cake pan like mine. It just needs to be bigger than the bottom of your bottle. All right, so then we're going to put the bubbles onto the bottom. See that? See how I'm dripping out of the bottle? Then I'm going to turn sideways and I'm going to show you how do we make a bubble snake. So you hold it up and you blow and you blow, and you can make bubble snakes everywhere. And if you're outside and maybe on the sidewalk, you can do it a little better and not get it on your shirt, but it's just soap. I'm going to turn this way because when I did that, the wind was blowing, and I want the wind to blow this way with my snake instead of away from it. So you can keep going. I want to show you one more cool thing. If you want to make a colorful bubble snake, you can get some food coloring. Now, I only had one color of food coloring. I had green. So I'm going to put some green, and part of my bubble snake will be green. If you have different colors, you could put like a drop of red here, a drop of green here, whatever. If you don't have food coloring, but you have Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid will work too. You just want to make sure that you're not getting colored bubbles all over white clothes or pink clothes. Black clothes might be good to wear like I have on. So then I'm going to pick it up and see the end is green, and I'm going to blow and let you see a green snake. So, see? So my snake is green. So you can have fun with that outside. You can do other things too. If you have, what are they called? Pipe cleaners. You could bend one and make a bubble blower out of it. You could bring a straw and you could blow in and see how big you could make your bubbles come out of your container. Okay? Lots of different things you can do. All right. Go have fun.